Hi friends, let's look at some beginning letter sounds for our farm things that we might find, or animals and other things you might see on the farm. Remember, there are all kinds of things we see on a daily basis, and if we point to something like chair or house or table, we can try to sound out that word and that beginning sound that it makes to try to figure out what letter it starts with. It's really good for practicing our letters. So let's take a look. First, we have this guy up here. He goes, "Neigh." What is that guy? He's a horse. Ha, ha, horse. Does it start with g, 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 h, 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 or s, s, s? How about h for horse? Let's go ahead and circle our h because horse starts with h. How about tractor? Does tractor start with y, y, or u, or t? How about y, y, tractor? Now, tractor starts with t. All right. How about this guy right here? That's a rooster. He's like a male chicken. Rooster. Does it start with I that makes the I sound, or the l sound? That is an L. Does it sound like rooster? Rooster. L. No. How about r? Does that sound like rooster? Yeah, it makes that same sound, that r sound. So rooster starts with R. Horse starts with H. Tractor starts with t. How about cow? Does it start with p, c, or o? How about C for cow? Cow. How about this pig right here? Does pig start with w, n, or p? Pig, w, n, or p? It's p. How about farmer? Farmer. Does he start with e, e, farmer? No. B, farmer? No. F, farmer? That's right. Starts with an F. How about down here? We've got our ducks. Start with D. D. Ducks. Not A or C. Starts with D. Ducks. How about this right here? This is a fence. Does fence start with V or K or F? Fence, V, K, or fence, or F? Oh, I just gave you the answer. It's F for fence. How about this last one? Looks like a lamb. A lamb is also the same as sheep, only sheep is more than one lamb, and a lamb is just one lamb. If we see a lot of them, we call them sheep. If we only see one, we call it a lamb. We've got L, Y, or Q, or Q, sh, or lamb, lamb, L. They sound the same. They sound the same. Not like Y that makes the ya sound, or Q, which makes qua. Lamb sounds like L. Lamb. Very good, guys. Let's review real quick. We have horse starts with H, T for tractor. Rooster starts with R. Cow starts with C. P starts with, or pig starts with P. Farmer starts with F. D stands for duck. Fence starts with F. Lamb starts with L. Very good, guys. There are all kinds of animals and things around your house, around the world, wherever you are, that you can look at, and if you can say that word and say it out loud, try to figure out what letter it starts with based on the sound it makes. Dog makes the sound. What letter makes that sound? D. D is for dog. All right. Keep working on those letter sounds, guys. If you still are having a hard time recognizing those letters, you could keep practicing those letters, and you can work with your mommies and daddies to try to figure out what letters there are. So work on your letter recognition and work on figuring out what sounds each of those letters make. Have a great day.